Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review of AI Sandbox. Now, AI Sandbox is a secure, controlled environment designed for experimenting with, developing and testing AI models and applications. It provides a safe space to explore the capabilities and potential risks of AI without impacting live systems or sensitive data. Now, let's look at the pros and the cons. It has safe experimentation, allows users to test new AI models and algorithms in isolation, minimizing the risks of unintended consequences or data breaches in production environments. That's next. The second pro is that it has risk mitigation because it helps identify and address security, privacy, and ethical risks associated with AI before wider development. Then, that's accelerated development. It provides access to pre-configured tools and environments, streamlining the development process and allowing for faster iteration and testing. Also has learning and exploration advantage. It offers a hands-on way for individuals and organizations to understand and explore the capability of various AI technology. Then it has compliance testing that enables testing of AI applications against regulatory framework and internal policies in a controlled setting. So, when it comes to the cons, it has limited scale. Sandboxes often operate on a smaller scale than production environments, meaning performance or issues encountered in sandbox might not fully reflect real-world conditions. Also has potential costs because setting up and maintaining a secure AI sandbox environment can incur costs. Yes, if you want to set up and it can incur costs for you. Then resource intensive. It requires dedicated resources, both personal and infrastructure, to manage and monitor the sandbox effectively. Then regulatory uncertainty. For regulatory sandboxes, while it is designed to reduce uncertainty, the transition from a relaxed sandbox environment to full regulatory compliance can still pose challenges. And lastly, it is not a replacement for production testing. While AI sandbox is valuable, sandbox testing doesn't eliminate the need for thorough testing in production or staging environments. So if you want to get started, you can click on get started to get the full access to AI sandbox. You can download, you can get access to documentations like scenarios, coding, contact them, and when it comes to development, you can roadmap, compiling, contributing, and license. So learning AI shouldn't start with learning a new language. You can just start with Sandbox. Use existing programming skills to train an AI in one of their environments. They provide the best. They provide REST-based interface that can be used by any modern programming language. This way, you can leverage your existing coding expertise and don't waste time on anything else. They provide hints and safe spaces for your baby AI to learn and grow. So, what are you waiting for? Go to AI Sandbox development today.